So what's up people, welcome back to our channel. My name is Bhaskar and from today onwards we are going to start our next series, which is HTML tutorials for beginners in English. Those who are willing to watch the videos in Hindi, I've already covered all the topics of HTML and CSS in Hindi language. You can go to our channel and check our playlist HTML tutorials for beginners in Hindi and same CSS tutorials for beginners in Hindi. uh, then those who are willing to watch the videos and learn these things in English language, please stay tuned. This is our first video in English language related to HTML, and from today onwards we are going to post every day one topic of HTML, and after that we will cover CSS one by one, all the topics. So let's come back to the topic, introduction to HTML. Now HTML stands for hypertext markup language. It is a standard markup language, not a programming language like other programming language like .NET, Java, Python. It doesn't have those functionalities and those logics and many more things. It is just a simple markup language which consists of elements, series of elements. Using those elements you make the web browser understand what things you are going to include your web page and what things you are going to show on your web page, and these documents are meant to be displayed in web browser like any other thing. You cannot display these documents. The documents you are going to develop using HTML markup language are meant to be displayed in web browser, not in any other programs like media player and other VLC players and Microsoft inbuilt players. Yeah, you can not use those players and those media programs to display the web page. So it consists of a series of elements. That means uh, whenever you are going to develop or design a web page, uh, during the developing time, you will use elements are the building blocks of your web browser and web page. So those elements will define the things that you are going to display on your web page and web browser, be it images, video, audio, list, structured list and tables, etc. It can be assigned by technologies such as cascading style sheet yani CSS and scripting language such as JavaScript. I would not suggest you to dive deep inside the introductory part, because as soon as you start developing the HTML web pages and HTML documents, you will get to learn everything, each and everything one by one by doing practical. So it was just an introductory video that I want to introduce among you guys about HTML, what is HTML, what it stands for, and what it consists, and everything which is mentioned in this style sheet. So in our upcoming videos we are going to pick each and every tag and important element, and then I will describe you everything how you can implement the web page and things inside the web page using those elements and HTML. In next video I'll define the describe the basic structure of HTML using the elements and tags, and further structure how you can define the document, whether it will going to be a HTML document or some other document, how your web browser will get to know whether you are developing a different document or an HTML document, how you will put things inside it, how will you make the web browser understand that what you are going to display inside the web page, and how the things will look like, and how you can modify those things which you have mentioned and developed in your web page using HTML yani hypertext markup language code. I'm sorry for my Hindi errors guys, because I'm not used to make videos in English language, but uh, because most of the people are demanding to make these videos in English, so I'm bit trying. So let's meet in next video. In next video I'm going to describe everything how you can create first web page, first your HTML document, and first uh, time you will link your HTML file to CSS file. Sorry, I'll conduct another video to describe how you can link CSS file to HTML file in our part when we will going to make videos on our CSS part. So let's stick to the HTML part only. So after covering the HTML part, I will start videos on CSS. So that's it guys, that's it for today. I hope you will like the video and keep learning, keep searching and keep surfing. Take care guys.